Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to connect universal remote to TV. Firstly, turn on the device you want to control, then press and hold the setup button until the red indicator light turns on. Release the setup button, then press the power button. The remote will start scanning for the correct code. Wait for the device to turn off, then press enter to save the code. Now all you have to do is to test your remote. Press different buttons like volume, channel, input to ensure the remote controls our device are set properly. If it doesn't work, repeat the process until you find the correct code. You can connect the TV remote to your TV, DVD player, sound system, etc. Now you can enjoy controlling or auto-programming your remote for your TV or device. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.